In this video, I will show you how to delete repost on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to remove repost on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to remove repost TikTok videos. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on this profile at the bottom right side. After you open up this profile, all you have to do now, tap on this, as you can see now, this arrow, here is it. Tap on this arrow at the middle. So as you can see now in this section now you can be able now to see all the videos that you reposted on your TikTok. As you can see now, if you want to remove one or if you want to delete one of them, all you have to do now, tap on this section. As you can see now, here is this video. Let's say I want to delete this one. After you select the video like this, as you can see now, so as you can see now, the video will open for you like this. As you can see now, as you can see here, it says you reposted this one. As you can see here, it says you reposted. So all you have to do now, I reposted this video. If you want to remove the video from the list of the video that you reposted, so tap on the section again. After you tap on this, as you can see now, you reposted. As you can see now, tap on this repost. As you can see now, tap on this remove repost again. So as you can see now, it says remove. So now if I tap on this back arrow, I go back. So as you can see now, under the videos that I reposted on my TikTok account, now I remove this one. Now I delete the video. Now you can follow this step. You can follow this method to delete any video you want to delete on your TikTok account that you reposted, or to remove any the video that you reposted on your TikTok account. Hope this video helps you out, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.